Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange. Markets opened higher because of positive global cues, but every rise is a selling opportunity the markets were sold into. Today, it is only the IT stocks that saved the market since the morning, and all the IT stocks. In fact, out of the top 5 performers, 4 stocks were from IT. The TCS has shot up more than 100 rupees. TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Technology, Tech Mahindra. So they're all higher. But if you take out the IT stocks, the picture was very, very bad. The Bank Nifty has fallen nearly 700 points from intraday high. It was trying to break 48,000. Markets were so volatile ahead of HDFC Bank result. Mid cap, small cap, junior Nifty, everything was bleeding. Everything was down more than 2%. Then around 2 p.m., I was just watching. It seems that people know there was a huge activity in 23,200 call option. People were buying in huge quantities like 20,000, 25,000 quantities. Then I understood there is something going to be positive. Then within few seconds, HDFC Bank results came. The market shot up. The 23,200 call option, where I've seen the huge volume around 23, 24 rupees, it went up to 50, 55 rupees, more than doubled actually. So definitely some insiders are playing in this market. So that's for sure. So if the HDFC Bank has not turned around the market, the market would have broken down today. Even today, the Nifty broke 23,000 6-7 times. And every time it broke 23,000, some kind of a buying came, then again selling came. And today, the Nifty's low is just about 5 points away from yesterday's low. Today morning, I told you, yesterday's low is very, very important. If that is broken, and then there is no hope. And then after the HDFC Bank results, there was a good short covering in HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank shot up. Actually, it did not go much higher. If you can remember, about 1 week before, every day it fell 25 rupees. For 6 consecutive trading sessions, it fell 25 rupees. Overall, 6 trading sessions, 150 rupees. Then from 1,800 came down to 1,650, and it is hovering around 1,650 only. Today went to 1,625, then again went to 1,670. So 40 rupees, 50 rupees up and down, but it is still hovering around 1,650. So the worst is over, but otherwise we are still not out of the trouble, and the trouble is still there. And you look at the way FIIs are selling. Today also they have sold for 4,000 crores. Every day they are selling at least for $500 million. And with today's selling, FII selling has crossed 60,000 crores. So I told you that the baby will have to cry. The baby will have to continue to cry. So then only Nirmala Mataji will do something on February 1. So, I will not be happy if the market shoots up from here. Right? The market shoots up above after February 1, I'll be very happy. Now the market, has to struggle. Right? So then only the finance ministry will do something. So are there any good things today? Yes. Number 1, though FII selling is there, for the first time, India VIX started falling when the markets went up. That's number 1. Number 2, usually when the recovery happens, large cap should recover first. Then only mid cap, small cap should recover. What happened earlier, the recovery comes, mid cap and small cap recovery comes first. Right? So large cap, in fact, the year 2025 will be the year of large cap. Right? So mid cap and small cap froth will be taken out. Right? For the last 2 years, mid cap and small caps have hugely outperformed large caps. Right? So that's a long-term view. So let us see later. After the market hours, Hindustan Unilever has come out with results. Results are not that great. But nobody is expecting good results from FMCG stocks. Right? The way FMCG's index has been performing for the last few months, nobody is expecting. So, no bad news is already a good news. So, if I'm not wrong, Hindustan Unilever should do better tomorrow. So, we will see tomorrow what is going to happen. So, with most of the key results are over, I think the only other key result we are waiting is ICICI Bank, which will be coming on Saturday. So then the volatility may come down. Then after that, the budget related speculation may start. And then a clear trend will emerge only after February 1. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.